What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction, which I'm into something. Morse code from Reina del Cid and Josh Turner, now El Cordova. Let's go on a journey, see what we got. Let's ride. If you enjoy it, get up and show El and Tony all the love in the
Happy
world.
Sunday morning. I have the distinct pleasure of being here with Josh Turner in New York City.
Amazing musician.
Josh is somebody that I have admired so long on YouTube. And
it's mutual.
Yeah, and I think we're kindred spirits and kindred channels. So this was a long time coming. And if you enjoy this, there's also another video on Josh's channel. And it includes Carson McKee and Tony Lindgren. So check that out too. Coffee cheers. Had the postal service, had the telephone wire, and there were passenger pigeons to take your words up higher. And there were walkie-talkies, fiber optic repeat, and there were infinite channels between you and me. Don't matter, pretty baby, it was a note upon your door. It don't matter how you said it, you don't love me no more. You don't love me no more. You don't love me no more.
This is all we need. We don't need no big production. All we need is two guitars, two voices, and the story behind it. Look, there was all kinds of ways that you could have told me, but you left me a note on your door? Really? This is heartbreaking. You should never, ever, ever do that to somebody. Meet them face to face. Good
I
Lord.
can hijack the airwaves. Say I want you back. I could put us in a novel and rewrite the past.
String up the words behind the long airplane and wait for your answer to come back again.
It don't matter, pretty baby, I'll find the words I'm looking for. It don't matter how I say it, you don't love me no
Across the sea and plant a little kiss on your cheek for me.
Obviously, we had some sort of a long distance relationship going on, which makes it even worse. You can't do it face to face, but there's so many ways that you can let someone down easier. I won't say it's ever easy, but easier. Be the bigger person. Communicate with somebody. Nobody wants to just be left high, dry, brokenhearted, and lonely from across the world. I'm in a long distance relationship and it has its trying times, but it can be done. And it feels the same as if you were together. The feelings feel the same. So yeah, it would be damn horrible, horrible tragedy to do to somebody.
Write you a letter and cross all my T's and put it in the belly of a great submarine. It don't matter, pretty baby, if my words never reach the shore. It don't matter if I say it, you don't love me no more. You put a lonely billboard on every city road, or have the stars blotted out in a brilliant Morse code.
They're definitely kindred spirits.
Pretty baby, you don't love me no more. It don't matter, pretty baby, you don't love me no more. 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 You don't love me no more.
Come on. They absolutely are perfect together singing this song. Get over, show Ellen, Tony all the love in the world. Go show Josh Turner guitar the love. This is what you need, people. A living room. Come on, you don't need $1 million production studios and all of that. Just if you got the talent, you got the talent. It's right here. I will listen to this 1,000,000 times. It's got a great old school vibe, kind of a feel, even though it's very much more modern than old school. Get over and show the love, show the love, show the love. The link's right there inside the description. Hit the like button if you liked it, the dislike button, but it won't believe you. Tell the next one. Miley Combustible, you guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon, the back.